I think it's so funny that kids today have parents that talk to Alexa and ask Alexa to play Mota Hathi on YouTube. Do it. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. So I have woken up. Kind of blind without my glasses, so let me just wear them first. Hello. Wow, great. You know what? I think I'll tell you why I'm doing this after I've had my coffee. क्योंकि मुझे धूप पड़ रही है. It's very pretty, but like amazing. The sky looks so pretty. It looks so cute on my curtains. Let me go make my coffee. The kitchen is a mess. It's okay. We are human. Why my coffee is under progress? Let me come and tell you. I'm going to be doing a 30-day vlog series. It is one of the hardest challenges that I've taken upon myself, and I'm kind of nervous and excited at the same time. Today is 5th August, which means by 5th September I'll be done, and I'm going to be editing an entire montage sequence of how my entire month went and what I learned. And I think it's going to be a fun exercise for me because all this while I've always wanted to be a YouTuber, like बचपन से. पर अभी तक मैंने व्लॉग तो करा ही नहीं कंसिस्टेंटली. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू प्रूव टू माई सेल्फ दैट आई कैन डू इट, एंड इफ आई कैन जस्ट प्रूव इट टू माई सेल्फ. बर्तन टूट रहे हैं भाई. माई अलार्म. और ये 6:30 से मेरे अलार्म्स चल रहे हैं. बट इट्स ओके, आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी इज़ वोकन अप. बट मेरी कॉफ़ी जल जाएगी भाई. नाउ दैट आई हैव माई कॉफ़ी, जो बहुत ज़ोर से सड़ रही है, तो मुझे साइड पे रख देनी चाहिए. दिस चैलेंज, इफ़ आई कैन जस्ट प्रूव टू वन पर्सन दैट आई कैन डू इट, it would be me. I just want to show myself that I am capable of doing it, and life is too short, so might as well do it. How this challenge goes is basically I create a video every single day of whatever I'm doing if I have a theme in mind, which is most likely not the case because this is really unplanned. I just have to talk to the camera. Other perks of this challenge are me waking up early in the morning, क्योंकि मैं 9:45 या 10 उठती हूँ जिम के लिए. That's not a really great time to be waking up. Reduce my screen time, reduce all the unhealthy habits that I have, which is not making my bed first thing in the morning, leaving out laundry. That was folded laundry. I had folded this yesterday. और मुझे नहीं पता मैंने रात को क्या किया है, but this is its state now. अपनी मेहनत पे पानी कैसे ना फेरे, पे मुझे लेसन्स भेज दो. For today, I do have something in mind. I've been wanting to get out of the house for a while now. Since I've been back from Goa, I don't think I've really stepped out of the house. Now I have all the excuses in the world to step out. I need to fix my Lego also. I don't know what. Hello. Hello. This is the Lego that needs fixing. Also, I want to do something fun with the projector. I will do that. This was a gift from my friends. This needs to be fixed because दीदी आए, उन्होंने यहाँ पे सफाई करने का ट्राई किया और ये टूट गया. So need to do that. Thankfully I keep all my instructions intact, so it shouldn't be an issue. But हाँ, I think I should stop pretending and shut my curtains because बहुत ज़्यादा light है यार. Okay, I'd like to come here and say something. I spend the first hour of my morning doom scrolling. कैसे ना करूँ ये? My screen time has been at 15-16 hours, by the way. My screen time has been 15-16 hours, by the way. And I've still not had my coffee, so I'm again going to finish that. But this was just a thought I had, so I came here and shared it. I'm so nice. मम्मा ने कॉल नहीं किया मुझे अभी तक सुबह से. मुझे लगता है उठ गए हैं. But I think she thinks I've not woken up, even though I told her I'm doing the challenge. Gotta do a lot of things. We'll do it. 176. Let's go.
ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thanks, mommy. आपको क्या लगता है मैं कर पाऊँगा ये challenge?
यस, अगर करना चाहो तो where there is a will there is a way.
Same. मैंने आपको पता है कॉफ़ी बनाते बनाते अपने आप को पहली बार ही फिल्म किया है. फिर मैंने ब्रश करते करते किया था और फिर मैंने ऐसे देखा मैं ब्रश करते करते नहीं अच्छी लग रही. I have successfully showered, which is amazing because it is currently 12:35 and I'm setting a new routine for myself, which means I have to wake up early, shower, make my bed. Today is day 1, so I'm taking everything extremely slow. But I think it's important to build these habits, so I'm still going to keep working on it. Every day, there's one more thing that I absolutely can't miss out on. It's as important as having lunch and taking a shower. It's actually more important. Oh, it didn't make the sound. I thought that would be the grand entrance for Duolingo. But whatever, I just have to finish my Duolingo every day. I'm currently on day 176, which means that after I finish my challenge for the day, my streak would come to 177.
¿Quién habla español? ¿Quién?
Mi esposa, ella trabaja aquí. Trabajo en California. I'm so good at this. If I were to ever speak to an actual Spanish person, they would just kick me out of the country. Okay, yeah, there's an ad because I didn't pay for my Super Duolingo family plan. Even though Bhai is learning a language, I'm not sure if he's continuing with the language. I'm here. Hello. Yeah, but Duolingo has been with me for the past 77 days. Woohoo! For the past couple of minutes, I've been thinking about doing a dance workshop this weekend. I have already done way too many and I've not posted any of them yet. I'm excited to post, but at the same time, I just feel like dancing. I think if I make it to 4 days of this challenge, which means today till the 8th or 9th of August, I can go to 2 dance workshops. I'm not sure how healthy this reward system is, but as long as it's motivating me to work, I don't think Mama will have a problem with it. I'm pointing to the screen because I know Mama is the only person watching my vlogs. I was matching with Duolingo on my day 1 of vlogging. Duolingo needs to sponsor me now because I'm going to get famous. Jalulu is the Salulu, guys. But it's time for me to have some anda bhurji. Extremely excited for it because I'm damn hungry. Auntie ne anda bhurji bana di hai. I know anda bhurji is so simple that I can make it myself, but I'm extremely lazy when it comes to cooking because I don't know how to cook, first of all, and secondly, if I have somebody cooking for me, it really doesn't make sense in my head to cook. You know what? I'm excited that I get to do this, and the next time I'm going back home in Diwali, I want to be satisfied with where I am in life. And I think that's going to come from me being consistent, me being disciplined, and me changing my habits. Since I'm new to this format of filming and editing and everything, I have decided to have. This is what my screen looks like. Don't mind how dirty it is, but okay, I just had a major realization. I think it is best if I edit directly from my SD card towards the end of the day. In that case, I won't have to keep taking out my SD card from the DJU and keep connecting it, and I won't even have to face the media going offline issue. Also, if you hadn't noticed, I don't have a chair. I sent it back to Furlenco, where it was rented from originally, because I just got tired of that chair. And it's now almost been a month since I did that, and I never ended up getting a chair. Besides this, I also have to figure out a cupboard situation. I'm going to get that replaced, which is why I have to also clean my closet and get a new mirror, because this mirror ka placement is not very ideal since there's no light in that place. And I want to get a mirror for this corner specifically. So I think there is going to be one vlog जिसके अंदर I'm going to do an IKEA run, and IKEA is, I think, a pretty cute place, so hopefully I'll end up getting what I want. I'll go to the Worldly store, but that's for another day. That's not today's issue. Can I call Mama? I think I'm scared. But everything good lies on the other side of being scared. So I just need to do it scared. I made this sometime last year or like a year before that, when I was trying to again motivate myself after college, after my first internship. I was trying to motivate myself to get back to work, and I've always found myself constantly being reminded through circumstances, and like my brain also constantly reminding me that talking about doing the thing is not doing the thing, saying that you would do the thing is not doing the thing, thinking about doing the thing is also not doing the thing, but doing the thing even when you're scared, that's the goal. That's the goal. That was great motivation, yeah. To be drunk in love in New York City, burning through the hours talking. I like me better when I'm with you. I need to edit a previous video, so I'm going to do that. But first, I'm going to change because this outfit is just not outfitting. And the sun is doing much better outside, so I think this is the best time to head out if I want to. Otherwise, the traffic is going to increase, and I don't want that. Living in Mumbai has its perks and has its downfalls. A major portion of the sadness is the traffic and the potholes. क्योंकि कहीं पे भी तुम्हें लोग दिख जाएंगे, कहीं पे भी तुम्हें गड्ढा दिख जाएगा, तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा और तुम इंजर हो जाओगे. I think I need to shut up. Okay, so the plan of action is to get changed, wear lenses, look presentable, head to Carter Road, work out of there, have some Starbucks, and leave. Come back home and chill. Not chill. Edit this vlog and then post it. Shit. I have to make a thumbnail also now. Part of the challenge. Excited about it. Guys, I think I look pretty, and I did a pretty I think I did a pretty decent job at giving myself a very quick makeover, and now I'm heading to Carter Road. I don't even feel like working anymore. Although I'm in my, oh my god, look at her outfit. I just want coffee. So I'm going to head to Carter Road and I'll see you there. Also, I realized my phone is barely charged. So I'll have to charge my phone first and then leave. I'm a queen of procrastination and delaying stuff. So I need to stop. I am dressed like this with my two bags. This one is for DJU and this is for my laptop. because I'm going to be editing a little bit, hopefully a lot, but let's see. Yeah, just auto hair. I can't travel in autos with open hair. Kudos to people who can. I can't, bro. It's too much. Oh, bro. This is so pretty. I have literally found the shadiest spot to be talking to the camera because I am so nervous. Like I've gotten looks by people, but this was before I started recording, which means I'm looking pretty. So that's done. But at the same time, it is just so uncomfortable to be recording on camera in public because the thing is, they will look at me for 2 seconds and they will leave. But at the same time, I will keep thinking that they're still looking, even when they're not. I think I will get over it. Jhadpati right above me the entire time, so that's cool. I think it takes from the fact that this place is so pretty and crowded. It is more crowded on Sundays. Yeah, I just got played by that dude. I don't know how people do it. I think my tripod is also Teda. I don't understand why. I'm just overthinking a lot. Looks so pretty though. Yeah. It's sad that I had to travel so much to come here because, you know, I'd rather live here, but at the same time, I'm kind of glad I stay away from all of the chaos and the hoity toityness of Bombay. And another thing is, I reached here at the right time. I saw the sunset, it was damn pretty, and kind of glad I made it here. Max amount of sky videos I'm going to take because look at the pretty sky. Oh my god. Yeah, there is a doggy, might be pooping. Actually, is eating. Okay, go on. I think a good thing about Carter Road is that there are too many dogs. And they're so cute. The sky is so pretty. Kind of glad I took the auto ride here. The dogs are so cute and fluffy. But everywhere else that I decided to sit before I actually took a seat here, there are just too many couples at Carter Road. It's like the Marine Drive of Bandra Juhu. So it was kind of irritating, but I finally found a spot and I think I'm just going to sit here for the next 5-10 minutes and then leave. 2-3 minutes to be realistic. But yeah, it's devastating to be talking in public. It's so weird. I think I just gotta keep doing it and I'll get better. I don't even know if this is recording right now. If it's not, then I'll just have to do a voiceover on this. But Mama, I think you should be proud of me that I'm talking in front of the camera in public. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. I think it's so funny that kids today have parents that talk to Alexa and ask Alexa to play Mota Hathi on YouTube. Yeah, that's the funniest thing I have seen in the entire day today. And you know what? Can I tell you something? I am getting looks from all types of diverse age groups, which is crazy because I'm just trying to talk to the camera. The thing is, my DJU is not really visible. Let me just set a challenge for myself. By the end of 30 days, I want to be comfortable talking to the camera in public. Oh my god, I have to show you this. Look at that. Oh my god. I think that was a Chihuahua. And Chihuahuas are the most like fierce types of dogs that there are. And I have been called a Chihuahua before. I don't know how to take that because Chihuahuas attack. No, actually, I realistically know a couple of Chihuahuas, but we won't get into that. And it's so fun to overhear conversations in Bandra. You wouldn't see this in the suburbs. Not even sure if you can see me. I think I'm getting better at it. I think I'm getting more excited by the minute. I'm trying to eavesdrop as many conversations as possible, and I think that has been my forte since I was like 8, 9. Yeah, I've always loved overhearing conversations. And let me ask you a question. Have you ever sipped on your coffee and pretended to drink something out of an empty cup? Because I just did. Yeah, I just want to show people that I'm cool like that. Brother, this is just turning out to be a sad monologue. I am back home, and let me tell you, even though I did end up going to Carter Road, I never ended up editing. So I got no work done, but at the same time, I tried something new. So, chalega. And now the real challenge begins because I have to have my dinner, get changed, and then start editing. Kind of excited, kind of nervous. I want to see how this turns out. I'm going to be laying the groundwork for how the format is going to be for the next 30 days. But I'm not really like restricting myself to a format. I just need some basic structure. This was fun. This was fun. Let me tell you, this was fun, but also very nerve wracking. And I can't wait to do this tomorrow. See you guys. See you. This is cool. I look cool. I'll do this. See you.